Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 50 vocabulary words that are related to law. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First word is jurisdiction. It means the power or authority of a court to hear and decide a case. Second word is statute. It is a law enacted by a legislative body. Third word is constitution. It is the fundamental law of a country that establishes the structure and powers of the government. Fourth word is precedent. It is a legal decision or ruling that serves as an authoritative guide for similar cases in the future. Fifth word is plaintiff. It is the party who initiates a lawsuit or brings a legal claim against another party. Sixth word is defendant. It is the party being accused or sued in a legal proceeding. Seventh word is trial. It is a formal examination of evidence and legal arguments in a court of law to determine the guilt or innocence of a defendant. Eighth word is verdict. It is the decision reached by a jury or judge at the end of a trial. Ninth word is evidence. It means information, materials, or facts presented in court to support or refute a claim. Tenth word is appeal. It is the process of seeking a review of a court's decision by a higher court. 11th word is defendant. It is a person or entity being accused or sued in a legal proceeding. 12th word is tort. It is a civil wrong or injury caused by one party to another, resulting in legal liability. 13th word is habeas corpus. It is a legal action that protects individuals from unlawful detention or imprisonment. 14th word is subpoena. It is a court order that requires a person to appear in court or provide evidence or documents. 15th word is cross-examination. It is the questioning of a witness by the opposing party during a trial or deposition. 16th word is damages. It is the monetary compensation awarded to a party who has suffered harm or loss as a result of another's actions. 17th word is negligence. It is the failure to exercise reasonable care resulting in harm or injury to another person. 18th word is impeachment. It is the process of accusing a public official of misconduct or wrongdoing. 19th word is bail. It is the temporary release of a defendant from custody pending trial, typically secured by posting a bond or deposit. 20th word is lien. It is a legal claim or right against a property as security for the payment of a debt or obligation. 21st word is injunction. It is a court order that prohibits or compels a party to take or refrain from taking a certain action. 22nd word is discovery. It is the process by which parties obtain information, evidence, and documents from each other in a lawsuit. 23rd word is slander. It is the spoken false statement that harms a person's reputation. 24th word is libel. It is a false written or printed statement that harms a person's reputation. 25th word is indictment. It is a formal accusation or charge of a serious crime issued by a grand jury. 26th word is mediation. It is a voluntary process in which a neutral third party helps parties in a dispute to reach a mutually acceptable resolution. 27th word is arbitration. It is a process in which parties in a dispute submit their case to a neutral third party who makes a binding decision. 28th word is warrant. It is a court order authorizing law enforcement to perform a specific action such as a search or arrest. 29th word is litigation. It is the process of resolving disputes through the court system. 30th word is contract. It is a legally binding agreement between two or more parties enforceable by law. 31st word is deposition. It is the recorded testimony of a witness taken under oath outside of the courtroom, typically used for discovery purposes. 32nd word is probate. It is the legal process of administering the estate of a deceased person, including resolving claims and distributing assets. 33rd word is bankruptcy. It is the legal process by which individuals or businesses seek relief from overwhelming debts and obtain a fresh financial start. 34th word is confidentiality. It is the legal requirement to keep certain information private or protected from disclosure. 35th word is guardian. It is a person appointed by the court to make legal decisions for someone who is unable to do so by himself, such as a minor or incapacitated individual. 36th word is misdemeanor. It is a less serious criminal offense typically punishable by fines, probation, or a short jail sentence. 37th word is felony. It is a serious criminal offense usually punishable by imprisonment for more than 1 year. 38th word is statute of limitations. It is the time period within which a legal action must be brought. 39th word is perjury. It is the act of knowingly making false statements under oath or providing false evidence. 40th word is writ. It is a formal written order issued by a court commanding or authorizing a specific action. 41st word is affidavit. It is a written statement of facts sworn or affirmed under oath, often used as evidence in legal proceedings. 42nd word is appellate. It is relating to or involving appeals, specifically higher courts reviewing decisions made by lower courts. 43rd word is in camera. It is a Latin term meaning in chambers, referring to private proceedings held in a judge's private office or chambers. 44th word is liable. It means legally responsible or obligated to pay damages or perform a certain action. 45th word is stare decisis. It is the principle of adhering to established legal precedents in making decisions in similar cases. 46th word is arraignment. It is a court proceeding in which a defendant is formally charged with a crime and enters a plea. 47th word is executor. It is a person named in a will to carry out the provisions and administration of an estate. 48th word is indictment. It is a formal accusation or charge of a serious crime issued by a grand jury. 49th word is testimony. It is oral or written statements given under oath in a legal proceeding. 50th word is voir dire. It is the process of questioning prospective jurors to determine their suitability to serve on a jury. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.